This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services. We're gonna talk about what are the visa options that you can actually avail in the Philippines. Now, talking about the visa options, number one on the table is what we call spousal visa. Spousal visa is a visa that can be obtained by virtue of your marriage to a Filipino citizen. So there's also one visa that is commonly applied here in the Philippines is what we call 9G working visa. 9G working visa is a visa for a foreigner to apply here in the Philippines, especially his intention is to work, provided that there is a registered and a company that is operating here in the Philippines. Another visa that will be on your table as your options is what we call quota visa. Quota visa is a visa, it's somewhat known to be a commissioner's visa from the Bureau of Immigration, in which it is limited to the number of visas that will be issued every year. It's only limited slots or number of visas that will be issued every year. In specific, that is only 50 visas per nationality. Like for example, if you're an American, there are only 50 visas for quota visas that will be issued on that particular nationality. From London or from UK, there are only also 50 for the year. Those are the visas that are issued from the Bureau of Immigration. Moving on, you have also other visa options in which what we call the special visas. One of those is a special investors residence visa, or what we call SIRV. This is spearheaded by BOI, which is the Board of Investments, in which you will be complying with a particular requirements of that particular visa. And also, there's what we call, which is commonly applied also here in the Philippines, is the SRRV. That is a Special Residence Retirees Visa from the Philippine Retirement Authority. So those are your visa options in the Philippines. As you may notice on your visa options on this episode, we have enumerated 5 visa options that you can apply, but there are still a lot of visa options that you may take. Those are the visa options that are commonly applied for recently, but that may be different in the next few years. With that visa options being laid down, we will be discussing those visas in our next episode so that you will have a brief overview what are the qualifications, what are the requirements, and what are the benefits of that particular visa. So with that being said, if you have some questions, please feel free to send your comment or send an email, write a comment here below, or email us so that we can attend your verification. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you will be updated on our next episodes or what are the current notifications that you may need to know for you to be guided accordingly. With that being said, thank you and see you in our next episode.